Hello, in today's video, we are going to look at the three mechanisms that we have implemented on Brainboard to help you keep your code consistent across multiple environments. But first, what is Brainboard? Brainboard is the solution that you can use to collaboratively build and manage all your cloud infrastructures faster. So let's get started. As you can see here, you have two environments, the environment development with free architecture and staging with zero. The first mechanism that you can use is to create templates. So we're going to create template for this architecture. We keep it either on public or on private. Keep it in private. Here we can modify the name and then we publish it into the catalog. Then we go to staging. We look for the templates that you have created and here we clone it. In literally 2 seconds, you have the architecture and the related code. If you want to test this code, you simply go to deploy, do a plan. Here, Brainboard will do a Terraform init and the Terraform state log. Everything should be green, so it means that you can reuse this architecture into multiple environments. Everything is green, as you can see. But here, you can maintain this architecture. Here on the left side, you have all the cloud resources from AWS and Terraform. Let's say you would like to use the EC2. You simply drag and drop it in the architecture. Brainboard is able to detect all the interaction between the resources. Here you configure this resource and everything you do on the diagram will be automatically updated and reflected in your code. Let's say now that you would like to hide this configuration from your code, you exclude from the code generation and you save. Now, let's say you look for this resource and you can see that it didn't find it. The second mechanism, and here you can modify the name and you can document this architecture. So this architecture has been tested and is ready for staging. Like that, you document for you and your team to be able to know what kind of architecture you worked on. Then you add the tags and then you update. The second mechanism that we have implemented on Brainboard is to clone architecture. So here we're going to clone it in staging. Next, here we can specify the name. And then in literally 2 seconds, you have the GCP load balancer in staging. And here you choose GCP and you can maintain this architecture and everything you do will be automatically reflected on your code here. And the last mechanism that we have implemented is the sync and the promo and how to promote this architecture into different environments. So here, new name. Here we keep it sync. Next. And then we go to this staging. Here you can create different versions. So let's say initial commit. Now you delete these resources. You create another version. So deleted AWS resources. And then everything you do on the diagram is automatically reflected on your code here. And now you go to development, you go to multi-cloud architecture, and you can see that everything you have done has been reflected in the other environment. I hope this video has been useful for you. And if you have any questions, I will be happy to help you. Have a great day.